If you are someone who loves designing but feel little overwhelmed with all the technical stuff, I totally get you. Hi, I'm Kritika, an architectural illustrator and educator, and here on this channel, I share simple tools and tips to help designers and architects like you save time and get inspired. Today, I'll show you one of my favorite tools that I have been enjoying lately. It's called Rayon Design, and it's perfect for interior designers and architects. You can drag drop furniture, use ready to go templates, add electrical symbols, and even paste mood board images directly from Pinterest. There's also a really cool feature where you can share live presentation link with your clients or collaborate with your team in real time. And hey, I have added free student account link and some templates in the description box below. So if you want to explore Rayon Design after this, go check that out. But for now, let me walk you through some of my favorite features in Rayon Design. So let's dive in.
To get started, just open the web browser and type Rayon Design in the search bar. Click on the very first link that appears. It will take you to their official website. From here, you can either book a demo or you can click on Try for free to start exploring. You just need to enter your name, email address, and password to create a free account. Once you log in, you will land on your dashboard. Today, I will walk you through how I use Rayon Design to plan and visualize an apartment layout, including creating an electrical plan, building mood board, importing inspiration images, and designing the furniture layout. This is the project I recently worked on, and throughout this video, you will get to see how versatile and intuitive Rayon Design really is. If you are interested in step-by-step tutorials for creating plans, details, and sections, I have linked videos in the description that covers those topics in more detail. On the left hand side, you will find library, which is packed with elements from bedroom furniture to living room setups, commercial furniture, office layouts, and even detailed items like decor and appliances. To add an item, you can either browse through the folder or just type the name directly in the search bar. For example, I will search for a bed, drag it, drop it into the bedroom, then I will place a nightstand next to it. You can scale, rotate, or mirror these elements using the control points, or tweak them further using the right hand side properties panel. Now, I will place a wardrobe in the hallway, again just drag, drop, and adjust. What I love is that Rayon Design doesn't require you to look for external blocks or assets. Their built-in library is extensive and well categorized, which saves a lot of time and keeps everything in one place. Let's add few more touches, a fruit basket on the dining table, and even a human figure to give the layout more life and scale. You will notice how these small additions make the presentation more engaging and relatable. Whether you are working on residential or commercial space, Rayon Design offers plenty of options, and they all come with editable properties like color, opacity, stroke thickness, and more. You can even group elements, layer them, and add fills or textures based on your visual style. Once the furniture layout is complete, let's move to electrical planning. Again, go to the library and you will find a dedicated folder called Electrical Symbols. It contains everything from switches and sockets to light fixtures and fan points. Simply drag and place them wherever needed on the floor plan. From the properties panel, you can change their color, scale them up or down, and even label them for clarity. To make your electrical drawing more detailed, use the tools from the bottom toolbar. Here you will find options to add dimensions, arrows, labels, and text boxes. You can also create groups or align items precisely for clearer layouts. Let me show you the curve line tool, which I use to show electrical wiring routes or connections. It's available in the bottom toolbar. Just select it, click to create points along your desired path, and when you are done, click Finish. You can then go to the right hand side panel, adjust the line type, remove the dashed line, or even use the eyedropper tool to match styles from the other lines you have already set, making your drawing visually consistent and professional. Next up is the mood board and image import option. I often gather inspiration and reference materials from Pinterest or product websites. To import them, I just go to the left hand side menu, click on the three lines and upload any saved image and position them wherever you need it. You can scale, rotate, and arrange them to create clean visual storyboards for materials and finishes. It's super helpful when discussing design concepts with clients or even just organizing your own ideas. Another powerful feature I love about Rayon Design is its presentation mode. Once your drawing is ready, go to the left hand side panel. Here you can create sheets, adjust the page size, orientation, and scale from the right hand side panel. Then place your floor plan or boards. You can copy paste sheets using the standard shortcut like Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. After your sheets are set up, just click on the present button on the top right and you will see all the pages displayed in a neat slideshow. You can even share this link with your client so they can review your work online. No downloads, no special software needed. And if you're collaborating with a team, Rayon also allows you to share your project with teammates. Just go to the share option on the top right, add their email addresses, and choose whether you want them to have the viewer, editor, or admin access. It's really seamless for team based workflows. Finally, when your project is ready for export, click on the three lines at the top left and select Export. Rayon Design lets you export in different formats, including PDF, DWG, DXF images, and even the native .rayon file format.
So, that was a quick look why I think Rayon Design is actually worth trying, especially if you are like me and love visual, simple and flexible tools. From mood boards to floor plans and even client presentation, it keeps everything in one place, and that's honestly such a relief. Have you tried Rayon Design before, or are you planning to try it out? Let me know in the comment box below. Also, if you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your archie friends. Until then, stay inspired, sketch something beautiful today, and don't forget to check out the free links in the description box below. I'll see you next time. Until then, happy designing. Bye bye.